Hi, I'm Roger Montgomery from rogermontgomery.com and welcome to another episode of Value.able TV. This is the first part of a multi-part series on when to sell, and it may be an appropriate topic given the Dow Jones fell over 500 points overnight and many companies in Australia have fallen by even more. I thought it'd be worthwhile talking about what rules you should have in your strategy for when to sell. Should you be selling after the stock market's fallen 511 points? Should you be selling after good quality companies have fallen by as much as 26%, as some companies that I've looked at today have fallen? I don't think that's the right rules for selling. I'm going to assume that you've got a model for valuing businesses. I'm also going to make the assumption that you can recognise a good quality company from a poor quality company. And if you don't know how to do those things, well, make sure you have your copy of Value.able. By the way, if you don't have your copy, you won't be getting an invitation to our upcoming A1 service. But back to the rules for selling. The first rule for selling is that the stock that you've got or the shares in the company that you own represent shares in a company that is of not A1 quality or not high quality. A no junk policy should be in your portfolio. Why do I say that? Well, quite simply, the index itself has many companies in it that are in it only because of their size, not because they're good quality businesses. If you have a portfolio that only has good quality businesses in it, then over time you can't help but beat the index. Sure, it's true that in the short term, such as we're seeing right now, good quality companies will go down in price, and they might go down a lot, particularly illiquid companies or smaller companies that don't trade very much. But the reality is that over time, good quality companies rise in value, and their prices will follow those values. I don't know when, and I don't know how long it'll take, but I know that over time it does happen. In the short run though, we can't predict prices. In the short run, poor quality companies fall a lot more. So it's very, very important that you have a no junk policy in your portfolio. That's the first rule for when to sell. Go through your portfolio and have a look at how much of it represents companies that aren't of the best quality. I'll see you for the second episode of When to Sell in the next series of Value.able TV.